it will blow you up. Many years ago, we used to have a small office there. And then the office had a telephone intercom. So if somebody calls the phone, you can listen to the conversation before the conversation is connected to my office. So the call comes in. And then the person, Alabasta, hi. Kofi Oduro no. So the person, I'm in the year. And then the conversation started. Mona bet me atina some phones are the mint now. Tina me my culture, maybe a presby, Tina me come a presby. No, some phones are the mempe. So for a shiny pastor, so for a memory, then the person here also joined in the conversation. You know, so wouldn't him say, me dan cantina me wahanya me dan can carry some phones are not and come in some phones are yeah, and all that. Then I said, call the gentleman for me. Who is speaking here? Daddy, that batch of friend me say, when they are acting in their hypocrisy, will be jamming. There are people in your life and now say one yeah, you are boss for me. Say a boss for no ubeti mache na dear from your heart. Say neno beba bedasia. They feel like it is their right to receive your gift. Yeah, it is their right to give you. And so I told Pastor Amedi, and I have said this year on my birthday, don't collect anything from anybody for me. By the grace of God, we are content. People will collect stuff and put it together and they present it as a gift. And someone you are asking why will somebody give a gift and you will say why? And besides the gift and a saying. Yes, saying and nipati me a casemi asamo. I did cry as Katian G. My Baba Gigi Sika. Now, more than Mempesa heaven bow empty. Don't give the gift. When Sabako have we cha when Ibako have we too.